That's a good Trixie.
She is a pretty good dog. You know?
George, come here. Come on. Step up, Jersey.
Go get her. Can't help but laugh.
George looks like he thinks he's gonna get a ride on the dog. Like he's gonna like get like carried around on his back.
George is so cute, I can't handle it.
Why does he like
I don't know why. Are you laughing? Did you say come here to the dog?
Yeah. What's a head scratch from the dog?
Well, no, he wants a kiss. Like that means like good when he puts his head down. You know, like let's be friends. Give me a ride.
Can you believe what's happening to you right now?
Oh yeah, go get him, George. Go get him.
Are you like busting? You feel like crying?
no?